Hi guys, how we doing? Just another wee quick video. I wanted to show you this. This is my one and only cauliflower. Now 2 days ago that looked beautiful, and then I went out last night doing my rounds basically, and this is what I found. So it's going in the bin, compost bin. The wife wouldn't even consider eating that. They would that, to be honest, but no, my one and only cauliflower is now going in the bin. I'm getting so peed off this year with the garden, but I was watching the Potty Mouth Garden Club last night. It's on every Monday, 7 o'clock. Tony Smith, Steve from Greenside Up, I can't really remember their names, and Real Food Comes Dirty, and JB. And basically what they mentioned was, there's a lot of folk had a lot of bad gardening this year, especially with brassicas. So basically what they said is start again. So that's what I'm doing. I've got my I'm going to do some more lettuce for me. I've got here cabbage, pak choy, which, oh, come on, focus, pak choy, which I'm going to try again. And this is cauliflower, self-blanching, and I do have somewhere Marathon F1 broccoli. So I'm going to replant these. I'm going to put them into seed trays. And here I've got a mix that I made up, which is just compost and vermiculite added together. Sorry, I keep having to do this one-handed. Anyway, so these are going to get filled up, and then I'm going to show the seeds and put vermiculite over the top of them and leave them sitting somewhere cool and see if they come up. And if they do, then they'll be getting planted out. So that's the plan. So be back soon. Okay, now can you actually see what I'm doing here? I don't know. I think you can. Now, a wee disclaimer here. I have got no idea if this is going to work. No whatsoever. Will I get a harvest? Don't know. But they mentioned last night, and it's very true, why not just try? You've got nothing to lose. Which, okay, I'll go with that. So, I'm going to give it a go. So I've got some turnip and I've got cabbage out in the garden that seem to be doing okay. The cauliflower, broccoli, they're very, very tall and leggy, which tells me that most of them are bolted. So I'm going to try again. I'm just writing out the labels here. F1, so that's going to be broccoli. That one's the pak choy. This one is going to be cauliflower. And this one is going to be iceberg. Okay, that's them ready. Basically, it's just a matter of sowing the seeds. This is the iceberg. I mean, I believe the iceberg's going to work. Hold on. Sorry about this. Sorry about that. I've just spilt all my lettuce leaves, trying to get my dog in out of gear and stop them from barking. All my lettuce leaves, all my lettuce seeds. Anyway, I'll just sprinkle them in there. And then I'll get my wee hoover to hoover up the rest. Right, so that's the lettuce done. I don't think I've got much of this left. This is the broccoli. Marathon F1. Now every time I've sown this, it looked more like sprouting broccoli rather than the big heads. But according to the internet, Marathon F1 is, you know, the type with the big heads. So if you know what's what, please let me know in the comments below. So, okay, that's the broccoli done. And I've run out of these, so I'll need to remember buy more next year. It's like feels as if there's still some in there. Oh, none. So I can go in the bin. And this is cauliflower. You know the worst thing about these seed packets is getting them open. I'll just sprinkle some of these in here. I mean, obviously I'm not going to grow all of these, but we'll see. So that's that, and next is the pak choy. I've tried to grow this twice this year, and twice I've ended up putting them in the bin. So I'm going to try again. So we'll get some of them in there. That should give me enough for next year. Right, the only thing that's left to do now is cover these in vermiculite and then give them a water. So I'll get back to you soon. I'll do this. No point in you watching this, so I'll do this and I'll get back to you very soon. Okay, that's them done. But what I've done is I've taken the sticks out and I've wrote on the sides what they are. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a cool shaded place that I can put these just now. Now we are supposed to be getting another heat wave this weekend, so if that's the case, then they'll come. I'll probably bring them inside because I don't want them to dry out or get too warm. So the rest of my gardening today is cut up the cauliflower, compost bin, and the peas probably. Pick the rest of the peas, pull them out and get them in the compost bin. And if we come down here, I mean, look, this is a cauliflower. Now, is that healthy, is that right, or should I just pull that? If any of you can tell me, that would be great. I mean, they're all the same. They're all very tall and lanky, so I'm thinking this one looks no bad. So I'm thinking just pulling them, starting again. The tomatoes are growing. Whether I'll get a harvest off them, I don't know. This one looks dead and all. Look, compost, too lanky. Get them in the compost bin. So that's my plan for today. Peel the peas, cut out this cauliflower, and tidy up, just a general tidy up the herbs, get everything in the compost bin, and hopefully next year, hopefully in the autumn we'll have some more brassicas to grow. I've still got chard and that growing. It seems to be non-infected. We'll see what happens. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave your comments below about should I just pull the broccoli and the cauliflower. Give me your opinions. and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Please stay safe. Bye bye.